Hello everyone, welcome to Happiness Mastery, where you find life changing information with motivation. Now, if you are fed up of not remembering what you studied during exam, then you will get all your answers in this video with science behind it and the method to cure it. So let's get started. To understand the whole process, let's take an example of a computer or mobile memory. There are two types of memory, namely primary memory, which is RAM memory, which is used during processing of application, and second is secondary memory, which is used to store data. So let's compare our mind with this memory. We have two types of mind, namely conscious and subconscious mind. The conscious mind is the mind which is used when we are awake, and the subconscious mind is the mind which basically controls all our bodily functions, habits, etc. The subconscious mind is the mind which is 95% of our total mind. If you don't know about subconscious mind, watch my video on this topic at the end of this video. Now moving to the example. Primary memory or the RAM memory is like our conscious mind. The conscious mind is the mind which operates when we are working, doing activity during waking stage. Like right now, we are watching this video. Now, if we are doing some work in computer or mobile and if we don't save it, then it will be erased as soon as we close the application. And our secondary memory is like subconscious mind. Its capacity to store memory is huge. So, to remember what you read or remember it during exams, you need to store your study material in subconscious mind. Now, how to do it? Let's understand. The language of subconscious mind is visuals and emotions. Therefore, you have to use both languages of subconscious mind to convert short-term memory into long-term memory. I have a separate video on how to use visuals of subconscious mind to clear all exam. Watch it at the end of this video. Now, coming to the topic. Convert all your study material into creative visualization topic wise or chapter wise. Now, associate each visualization with the element of emotions and associations. By doing this, you have material ready to store in your subconscious mind. Now, moving to the next step. Remember the creative visualizations during going to sleep and after waking up. By doing this, you will convert short-term memory into long-term memory. Repeat this process to revise your studies. By repetition, you will get confidence to remember everything during exams. That's all for this video. I will shortly release second part of this topic for more advices. Subscribe this channel for such videos and watch playlist at the end of this video to get such useful videos. Thank you.